Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel GSM Update 17. Today I am going to show you Oppo A40 how to remove Payjoy permanently. Okay, let's see. Now we connect JTech Plus, then remove permanently Payjoy. Any model, any Oppo, Realme. After process complete already. Now remove ISP. Now phone on. Okay guys, my phone is completely on after remove Payjoy. You can see there is no Payjoy app in phone. We go setting and the security, and device administer. There is no Payjoy app permanently removed done. If you need any solution, please description WhatsApp number. No